Good morning, traders, and welcome to the Simple Forex Setup Show. I'm going to be sharing a number of currency pairs on the 4-hour chart. So I'll start by sharing my screen. All right, the first currency pair that I'm going to have a look at is GBP JPY. And on this currency pair, I'm looking for a short. So the trend is still going up, but it has that resistance level there. On the monthly, we saw a little bit of a turnaround. So I'm looking for on here daily, coming back up here and looking for a short. On the 4-hourly, in terms of the setup, I already have a couple of lower high. So I'm looking to enter anywhere in this area, all the way up to that daily trend line. So I'm actually going to place a pending order on this. If it goes down, otherwise I'll wait until it gets a bit further up, maybe up to there. So that's the area that I'm looking for a short. In terms of the entry, would be a little bit below the previous bar. And then I want to place the stop loss just above this area here. If we zoom out, I'm looking for so entry around here, and then is the so probably stop loss above there, so above this area here. So in terms of the entry, let's see, I can pop it. I'll measure from now. So we want 1 pip. The entry is below the 1 pip, one bar, one bar before today's bar, or the current bar. And then we want the stop loss above the 35th bar. So I will set that up here. And then I want to sell, so looking for a short. There we go. So in terms of the entry and exit criteria, we have, let me mark that up. So entry is at, let's have a look, what's the price? 154,011. So that's the entry. Let's have a look on there. Yeah, so the stop loss is there. Was there. Have a look at it again. Stop loss 155.755. Okay, and then let's do the profit targets. So I have 3 profit targets, but if you're beginning, just start with 1. Probably use TP2 as your 1 target to get out at profit at 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. So TP1, 152.267. TP2. 150.523. And the final target profit at 1.4.779. All right, so that is the trade setup for a short on GBP JPY. There we go. So the next currency pair I'm going to have a look at is USD JPY. So that one I am already in the trade, so still holding. So far we have reached TP1 and at the moment still at this point here, almost similar to the previous high. So still staying in that trade and holding on. The next currency pair I'm going to have a look at is Euro AUD. So this currency pair, I'm also in already. So we have reached TP1. Still going sideways at this point. So holding still on this trade for a long. Next currency pair I'm going to have a look at is Euro JPY. So Euro JPY, I'm looking for a short. Let's have a look. So the trend is going up, but we are close to that horizontal resistance. So weekly, we had a bit of a pullback down to the bottom of the channel. And so on the daily, I'm looking, if there is a strong reversal, then I'm looking for a short from the bottom of the channel there. In terms of the 4-hour setup, I'm looking for a short anywhere in this area or around that horizontal level, or even as far as the daily trend line there. So looking for a short in that area. Next currency pair I'm going to have a look at is GBP USD. GBP USD, I'm looking for a short. So looking at shorting from that resistance at 1.42. We did have quite a bit of pullback last couple of weeks. We were at the bottom of the channel, had a close below the channel. So now looking at potential reversal around this area. So if there would have to be a little bit more of a pullback. At the moment, it's still going down. So not really looking straight away. Next currency pair I'm looking at is Aussie US. So Aussie USD, I'm looking for a short. So we had that little bit of a consolidation there. I didn't go any higher. So now on the weekly, we're at the bottom of the channel, had a close below the channel. So now looking for a short. On the daily, we now have a lower low. So looking for, that was a high, lower high. So looking for the next pullback up, and then looking for a short on a lower high. On the 4-hourly chart, that would be around this area. So looking for more of a pullback up, and then looking for a short after that. Next currency pair I'm going to have a look at is Euro USD. Euro USD, I'm looking for a short. So we had quite a bit of pullback there. Trend is still up, but we are at that resistance. We have the second attempt there. And now a number of closes below the channel. So from the daily, as an early entry would be looking at a short, and on the 4-hourly, looking at a short either off the horizontal or off the daily trend line there. So need a bit more of a pullback would be good. So looking somewhere around here for a short. Next currency pair I'm looking at is USD CAD. USD CAD, looking for a short on this one. So we had the price go to the top of the channel. And now at the top of the channel, I'm still looking for a short. There. So on the 4-hourly, I'm looking for a pullback up, possibly to that top of the channel, or anywhere in this area here. And then looking for a short price action to show a short reversal. Next currency pair I'm looking at is Euro GBP. And Euro GBP, I'm looking for a long. This is not a trend trading strategy. So I'm looking at this from a sideways moving market and having a ranging strategy. So here it is towards the bottom of the range. So I'm looking for a long. The trend is still down, so looking for a reversal. I'm not really looking to short it, so looking for some indication of a long, either of the bottom here, or if it goes above and then retest. So anywhere in this area would be good. I'm looking for a long. Next currency pair, this is the last one, is GBP CAD. So on GBP CAD, I'm looking for a short. This one, I'm also looking at it from more of a ranging market perspective. So different strategy. We do have the trend going downward as well at the moment. So, and we're at the top of the channel. So looking for a short. So in terms of the price action on the 4-hourly, I'm looking for a reversal. So any pullback up to this top of the channel, and then a reversal for a short. All right. Thank you very much for being part of the Simple Forex show. If you have any questions, you can pop it in the chat box. Otherwise, I will see you again. I will be back live today at 1 p.m. Singapore time. So I look forward to seeing you then. Thank you. Bye.